Jacob's well. A woman came along to draw. Her heart was heavy, her soul was dry. No one around, no one to know. Jesus spoke so gently, so true. Give me a drink, I'm waiting for you. The water I give will never run dry. It will spring eternal inside your life. Living water, flow in me, quench the thirst that eyes can't see. Spirit of God, fill my soul, make my broken heart whole. From Jacob's well to here today, Jesus' love shows the way. Living water, flow in me, forever and eternally. The Pharisees were rising, the people amazed, but Jesus moved where his spirit stayed. Away from the crowds he found the lost, teaching them mercy no matter the cost. She came at noon, avoiding eyes, yet he offered truth, living water that satisfies. No shame, no hiding, no fear of the past. His love poured out forever to last. Living water, flow in me, quench the thirst that eyes can't see. Spirit of God, fill my soul, make my broken heart whole. From Jacob's well to here today, Jesus' love shows the way. Living water, flow in me, forever and eternally. Come to the well, come as you are. Your past doesn't define who you are. Jesus' spirit will satisfy, his love will lift, his grace will rise. Draw from